On 27th of February, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, had announced the name of 4 astronauts for the prestigious program of Indian Space Research Organisation, Gaganyaan. Prime Minister also declared that India will be having our own space station by the year 2035. Let us now look into the details of Gaganyaan mission. To start with, it is India's most prestigious space mission. After USA, Russia and China, India will be the 4th nation to take a man to the space. In the Gaganyaan mission, the aim of ISRO is to take a man to the low Earth orbit. The mission will start from Sriharikota and the astronauts will be taken to the low Earth orbit and they will be staying there for around 5 to 6 days. After that, they will make a landing back to the Arabian Sea. This is the main mission behind the Gaganyaan. And through the Gaganyaan mission, India is aiming to project our capability regarding the human space flight programs. Now, regarding the procedure of launching of Gaganyaan, it will be conducted in multiple different stages and it had already started. In the first few missions, what we will be testing is the capability of our rockets and the satellites. Because in the Gaganyaan mission, our aim is to take a live human being to the space. So, both our launch vehicle and the satellite should be having the capability to accommodate a human being safely to the low Earth orbit and bring that person back to the surface. And the aim of our first missions will be to test the capability of our systems to accommodate human beings. In the next stage of Gaganyaan, we will be launching our satellite with a humanoid robot inside it. It is called 𝐏𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐬.
Hello everyone, I am 𝐏𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐬, the prototype of the half-humanoid being made for the first unmanned Gaganyaan mission.
And the aim of 𝐏𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐬 will be to monitor the interior facilities of the space mission. Whether human beings can actually survive for 5 to 6 days in this particular orbit. And after that, after the successful launch of 𝐏𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐬, only then we will be going to the last phase of the Gaganyaan mission where actual human beings will be taken to the space. Regarding the launch of the Gaganyaan mission, we will be using the LMV-3 rocket, that is Launch Vehicle Mark III rocket, which is the most powerful rocket available with the ISRO. After the launch, regarding the orbital module will be comprising of 2 components. One will be the crew module, which will be accommodating the 3 astronauts who are selected for the program. And the other module will be called the service module. The purpose of the service module is to provide all facilities to the crew module in which human beings are actually present. And this raises the question, why are we sending human beings to the space? Shouldn't we be staying in the earth itself? And the answer is simple. India is currently marching forward both as an economic superpower and also as a technological giant. With respect to the Gaganyaan mission, a successful Gaganyaan mission will be projecting the capabilities of India as a tech giant. Since the central government had opened up the space sector for private investments also, and the private parties are participating in the space sector, it is important for the Indian space missions to prove their technical capabilities in manned space missions. And a successful manned space missions means in the future, India can act as the facilitator for other nations to carry on their own manned missions. This will in turn boost the economic perspectives also. As our space missions are improving and we are projecting our capabilities, what will happen in the future? More investments will be coming into our space sector. And currently, the contribution of Indian space sector in the global economy is just around 2%. In the future, we are aiming to increase this share of Indian space sector in the global arena. So, in that perspective also, Gaganyaan will be helping India to reach that potential point. As described by the Prime Minister of India, we are currently in the Amrit Kaal. Towards a better future and towards a developed and successful future, India is marching forward. And to that journey, a successful Gaganyaan mission is highly important. Let us hope that the Gaganyaan mission will be a huge success and also the other aim of ISRO to place our own space station by 2035 be a success. Thank you.
Amrita IAS Academy.